Hello, YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick video here. I've had a few people ask me through email if I'm going to do pre-orders on these circuit boards, whether it's going to be the RT97 or the Midland MXR10 interface board or other projects I have done on my website. Like for an example, I've had people, ask me, hey, you did a video on hooking up two handhelds to the COM port, or, whatever video you may be interested in. So what I'm going to do is shoot me an email and let me know what item you may be interested in if I decide to do a circuit board and sell it. But let me know through the email. Like I said, just tell me a brief description. Hey, you did this video. Even send me the link to the video and say, hey, you hooked up, two handhelds, or this other video, you hooked up the blue R1 2020 box to the handheld or to the computer or whatever the case may be. Shoot me a link with the email so I know what you're talking about. And then I will, I'll make a note of it, and I can kind of see where people's interests are. And maybe, and I'm saying maybe, if I go down that path, I can let you know. Now, I understand this is not when you send me the email, it's not a commitment. I just want to kind of get an idea, because I totally understand it depends on price. Obviously, if if the price is too much for you, I understand. I mean, of course, if I said $1,000 for the board, it's going to be way too much. So I understand. So I'm not holding you to it. So don't feel like, oh, if I said yeah to this or that. No. I just want to kind of know where people kind of stand, or what y'all out there kind of want for a plug-and-play type of a system. Like I said, whether it's the interface for the Retevis repeater or the Midland repeater, or another video I did that I hooked up like I said, a handheld or whatever I did to a computer, because like I said, if I get a few people, and of course, depending on price, I may be able to make a board for that, and then hopefully sell it. Try to be very reasonable when I sell it, so make it a little easier for people, so you don't have to learn how to solder, or you don't have to learn how to, to do, all this technical stuff. And when I do come up with a board, like for an example, what you see on the screen, I have changed it. If you did not notice, this is the board on the screen that I have now. It's for the Retevis RT97S or the Midland MXR10 GMRS repeaters that have the data port on the side. This board you see here, I have changed it from the last video that I talked about it. I've added some more things, and the point I'm trying to get is, I try to think, no matter what board I'm designing, what about the future? Should I add a switch here? Should I add this here? Should I add that there? So I just want you to be aware, I do think of that stuff. I don't want to make it so that you got to be an engineer to make this board work. I want it to be able to plug it in, you go to your computer, a couple clicks, and voila, it's working. Matter of fact, if I go down this path, what I'll probably do is I'll probably make a video to show people exactly how to make these boards work. Now, of course, everybody's computer is going to be a little different, but I'm going to make a how-to step-by-step to make this board work. So that's what I'll probably do if I end up deciding to sell them, because that will help people set these boards up, and it will help with kind of like a tech support type of situation. So that's what I'll probably end up doing. Now, I know there's some people that subscribe to my channel that don't really care about this stuff, and I understand that. They're more into, hey, the GMRS, I want to learn how to make my distance better. I don't really care about this board stuff, and I understand that, and I apologize for these types of videos, and we will get back on that. I go kind of back and forth don't worry. I got a lot of other videos ideas that are not related to this stuff, that are related to GMR, two-way radio stuff, other antenna ideas. I got a lot of other stuff, so don't worry. I know some of you are, getting kind of frustrated like this channel is going to this and that, but don't worry. We're still going to be on the path. But sometimes I make these videos, and it's because it's easier for me to explain in a video than it is to type all this out in every email. So understand that's why I do this. So it just makes it easier, and then people can just see it, and I don't get the email to respond to because they can see the video. So that's why I do this. But like I said, don't worry. We're still going to get back on track. I got a lot of cool ideas that are not related to the computers and all this other stuff. So, any rate, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.